Hello guys, welcome back again in Doge technical analysis. And Doge is going towards downside, and I think it will just crash my computer and it will just bang into my table. It's looking like that type of structure. So maybe, of course, that cannot happen, but currently there is very high pressure coming. You can see this is the very high pressured move in the downside, and more downside moves is still coming. Just watch my Bitcoin analysis. I predicted about 85k. If that reaches, all these altcoins will just face a huge crash, and the whole market will face bloodbath. I am very disappointed that all those people who was in spot, who was in buy side, and they don't have risk management, they don't exit in the market, they don't have exit mechanisms, they are in huge losses. Minus 6% is not child's play. If I talk about in sense of stocks, it's a huge. People just bang their hands due to this type of crashes, and I have seen multiple people who just ruined their life. Only one mistake: most people don't wanted to learn, they don't wanted to get education, they does not have any method, they does not have any strategy, and they think that we are bros, we are superhero, we are Iron Man, we will punch the market, and market will say that just come on, let's fight and let's see who will win. And those people cannot survive long term in this market. This bearish analysis was given previously in my all videos. I am consistently explaining that crash is happening. Why I am happy? Because my analysis is right. All my group members, all my community members are in sell side, and we are pretty much happy. So this type of channel was formed previously, I think 4 or 5 weeks ago. So I started explaining this consistently in my each video. At this point, I told you to sell. I also gave signals in my group. So if you are not member, must join it. It will definitely help you. And then you can see how much we have gone yet. Also, this crash, a huge crash which you are looking like this crash, I already predicted that. I already told you at from this point that something crazy is happening on the volumes. So if something crazy will happen on volumes, then maybe smart money is doing something. Smart money is maybe selling, maybe buying, and those smart money, those big players leaves some footprints on volumes, and my method can easily detect those footprints, and you can see how much we have achieved yet. So let me show you some of my trades. Of course you will be amazed. So here I have opened this MT4, and look at these gold trades. Each trade is protected by stop loss. Profits are running still. I started with this amount. Now equity is this. I consistently entered at these prices because my long term analysis was good. I early predicted the what smart monies are doing, what countries are doing. You can even do that, but with the right knowledge, with the right method, with the right strategy. I usually trade with volume spread analysis. You can see all these volume behaviors, and I predicted this when market was at these points, and those levels worked very well. Also, fundamental plays a very crucial role because nowadays most of the countries are accumulating gold, and they don't believe much in in the dollar. So that's why all these markets especially for the gold is going upside. But crypto is like a bubble. Most people don't believe in it. Crypto does not have physical existence. Crypto does not have proper infrastructure. So that's why the huge crashes usually came on these cryptos. So currently my volume spread analysis course, which is method of whales institutions, and it's available with the 50% discount. Must join that course. It's a 9 hours of long teachings, and it's available with the $100. And why this method is necessary? Because if you have already successful strategy, if you are successful, that's absolutely fine, you should go with that. But if you are struggling, then learn this volumes method. This method is better than almost all other methods, and it almost absorbs all other methods into its custody. Okay, so must go with it.